Hello everyone. Welcome to Daily English Practice. Picture description using phrasal verbs. The children are sitting down on the floor. One child is looking at a book. Another child is holding up a red heart. The boy is playing along with the guitar. The girl in yellow is clapping along with the music. The black cat is lying down in its bed. The children are picking out colorful shapes. The boy is sitting back on the sofa. The children are working on a craft project. The boy is strumming on the guitar. A girl is cutting out red hearts. The children are cleaning up the papers on the floor. The green plant is standing out in the corner. The bookshelf is filled up with books and toys. The girl in orange is looking down at the shapes. A toy train is lined up on the shelf. The colorful flags are hanging up on the wall. The children are hanging out together in the room. The boy on the sofa is flipping through the book. The cushions are set up on the sofa. The room is brightened up by the sunlight. The window is letting in natural light. The girl in yellow is smiling at the boy with the guitar. The craft supplies are spread out on the floor. The black cat is curled up in its bed. The guitar player is looking up at the girl in yellow. The children are getting along well. The walls are decorated with colorful items. The children are talking about their craft. The books on the shelf are lined up neatly. The toys are put away in their places. The green drawers are taking up space on the wall. The children are singing along with the guitar. The plant is standing up tall near the window. The craft shapes are laid out on the carpet. The children are enjoying themselves in the room. The girl in yellow is sitting down on her knees. The boy is leaning back on the sofa. The children are making up a song together. The black cat is waking up from its nap. The children are sorting out the craft shapes. The girl in orange is picking up a red heart. The sunlight is shining through the window. The children are putting together a craft project. The boy with the guitar is cheering up the group. The cat is staring at the children. The green plants are taking over the space near the window. The books are stacked up neatly on the shelves. The boy with the guitar is tuning up before playing. The children are having fun in the cozy room. Questions and answers practice. What is the boy on the sofa doing?
He is reading a book.
What is the boy with blonde hair doing?
He is playing the guitar.
What is the girl in orange doing?
She is cutting out red hearts.
What is the girl in yellow doing?
She is clapping her hands.
What is the cat doing?
It is lying in its bed.
What shapes are on the carpet?
Stars, hearts, and rectangles.
What is hanging on the wall?
Colorful flags and decorations.
Where is the sunlight coming from?
It is coming through the window.
What is on the bookshelf?
Books, toys, and colorful items.
What are the children doing together?
They are working on crafts and enjoying music.
Subscribe the channel for more videos.